So after we worked out in the shop, my husband decided to smoke a turkey. So I thought I'd show this to you. So here is our yummy smoked turkey. It is nice and juicy. It's been sitting for a while, so the juices aren't like pouring out anymore, but ooh, it's so good. But I thought I would share with you that, like, it's not Thanksgiving. We don't have like a whole bunch of people coming over for dinner or anything like that. But yeah, we cooked this giant turkey. So you might be like, what are you gonna do with it? Well, we're gonna eat it for dinner. And then after that, I'm gonna pick up all the bones and I'm gonna freeze it, and then from the freezer I can take it out and I can make like chicken noodle soup, or I can make quesadillas and throw some turkey there, or I can just have it with turkey and potatoes a different night and just reuse all the pieces until it's all gone. All the bones I can throw into a stock pot and I can boil them for a few hours and make some bone broth. So here's my bone broth cooking. So you have to cook it for like 12 to 24 hours from so I'm just gonna let it sit in here overnight and cook away. And then my bone broth is all done cooking, so I thought I would show you that I already separated out the bones, but let me show you what it looks like. So we got, my bones didn't all fit in one pot, so I had to get out two. So these are my bone broths. I think it's kind of funny that they're like two different colors, but I think I just put more dark meat in here of the bones and more of the light bone meat, or bones. So there they are. I have taken out all the actual bones here. I've just used this big strainer scoop thing that I have. Isn't that thing cool? And next, I'm just going to pour it through this strainer into my pot, and then that will strain out any extra little bone fragments or things. And then my broth will be left over in the bottom. And here it is all strained out. It's not the prettiest sight, but it feels good to make bone broth all by myself. So I've got that and that. I don't know how much that is, but it's a lot. It's a lot. So probably a couple gallons worth, which is pretty awesome. And I'm just gonna let it cool a little bit and then probably put it in 2 gallon-sized freezer Ziplocs, I'm thinking, and just freeze it. And then I'll thaw it out next time I decide to make soup. There is how you make turkey bone broth. And then for this, all I'll do is I'll take it out of the freezer and then thaw it out. I will add celery, onion, carrots, and chicken or turkey, depending on what kind of soup I want, some garlic and other spices, and then I will have me some chicken or turkey noodle soup. Oh, and noodles. I'll make my homemade egg noodles too. Thanks for watching my video, and if you'd like to see more, please give me a like and a subscribe down below.